Students, this is Sumit Kumar, TGT English Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines Meerut Kent. Students, you have listened so many stories in your life. Do you know each story teaches us the art of living, developing our personality and thinking, and it gives us a positive learning and energy at the end. So students, today I am going to narrate you another story which is full of various beautiful thoughts, views and positive messages. Actually, this is about a king who wants to know the answer of three questions. And if he finds the answer, so he would never make any mistake in his life. So let's start reading it. You are looking three figures appearing in this picture. First one is the king, second one the hermit, and the third the bounded man. They are the leading characters of this story, and this story revolves around these characters. Characters in this story, the main character of this story, the king, messengers, courtiers, hermit, bodyguard, king's enemy, and ministers. Summary. Once a king gets a thought that he would never fail if he knew three things, and these three things were: what was the right time to begin everything? Number two, who were the right people to listen to and whom to avoid? And number third, what was the most important thing to do? He proclaimed that the one who give the right answer shall be rewarded. So many wise men attempted to answer the king's question, but they all came up with different answers, and the king was not satisfied with their answers. He was advised to go to the hermit, who was widely known for his wisdom. The king decided to meet the hermit in disguise. When the king approached the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut, the king asked his question. But the hermit went on digging. The king offered to dig for him for a while. After digging for some time, the king again asked his question. Before the hermit could answer, a man emerged from the woods. He was bleeding from a terrible stomach wound. So the king and hermit washed the wound and bandaged till the blood ceased. The king stayed the night in the hermit's hut. Next morning, the wounded man revealed the truth that he had come to kill the king, but the king's guards had wounded him. The king forgives him and make peace with his enemy and promised to restore the property to the wounded man. The king asked the hermit again for his answers, and the hermit responded that he had just had his questions answered. Hermit says that the king had pitied his weakness and had dug those beds for him. So the most important time was when the king was digging the beds, and he was the most important man. The most important time was when king was attending to the wounded man and was the important man at that time. Glossary part of this story. Difficult words and their meaning. First one, idle, not in action or at work. Second, hermit, one who retired from society for religious reasons. Third, frail, means physically weak. Fourth, bearded, means having hair on cheeks. And last one, magnanimity, extremely liberal. So students, what to do? You have to name the parts of speech of the above words given to your left, and except these words, if you find some more difficult words, so you can ask to me, you can put your comment in the box. MCQs. MCQ number 1. What is the meaning of pity? There are 4 options are given, you have to choose best one. So it means sympathy. So sympathy is the correct answer. Number 2. What was hermit doing when the king arrived? So the hermit was sleeping, the hermit was digging, the hermit was helping, the hermit was meditating. So the hermit was digging the ground. This one is the correct answer. Question number 3. The king went alone on foot to the hermit house because the hermit only received common folk. The king wanted to be alone when he talked to the hermit. The king wanted to surprise the hermit. Yeah, the hermit met only one person at a time. Which one is the correct answer? So number 2. This one is the correct answer. The king wanted to be alone when he talked to the hermit. Short answer type question. Question number 1. What had happened to the bearded man? So students, when the hermit and the king were talking to each other, so a wounded man emerged from the woods. So what had happened to that man? The answer is he was wounded by the king's bodyguard. Question number 2. Where did the hermit live? So the hermit lived in the forest. Why did many wise men come to the king? So answer, the king invited them to find the answer of 3 questions. Question number 4. Why did the king go to the hermit? So it is very easy to find the answer of 3 questions. What had the king done to the bearded man? So he attended and treated the wounded man. Next question. Why had the wounded man want to kill the king? So the wounded man wanted to kill the king because the king had put his brother to death and seized his property. So that is why the wounded man came to kill the king. What had the wounded man decided after being injured by the king's soldier? It is not king's soldier, it is king's bodyguard. So he will serve the king as his most faithful servant. It is decided by the wounded man. And the king also decided to unseize the property of him. Home assignment. Long answer type question. So there are 3 questions are given in this part. Question number 1. Write the full episode when the king meets with hermit and bearded man in about 80 words. So you have to write the episode when the king went to the forest to meet hermit and suddenly the bearded man emerged from woods. So you have to write that episode in about 80 words. Question number 2. Being a sports captain of your school, put a notice on the notice board by informing the students about organizing a cricket match on your school's ground and asking the name of interested student to participate in it. You are Mohit. Question number 3. Write the 3 characteristics of the king. You have to write the 3 qualities or 3 characteristics of the king. So students, if you have any doubt regarding these questions, so you can tell me. So students, CCT based question. This picture is taken from the same chapter. In this picture, the hermit and the king are talking to each other, and a dialogue is written above this picture. You have to observe, you have to study this picture properly, and then you have to answer the questions. So these questions are prepared by me. Question number 1, give a suitable caption to this picture. Question number 2, who is older between two people in the pic? Question number 3, identify a tool which is held by the man. Question number 4, imagine the mood of the two people in the pic. Question number 5, find some punctuation marks given in the picture and write their names and usages. Last question, find an example of preposition, possessive pronoun and subject pronoun each. Mind maps. In this part, you have to go through this chapter in a circle. First of all, you have to read the full chapter, then write down difficult words and their meaning. After that, prepare summary in your own language, then 3 questions and their answer to which the story related, and at the last, the characteristics of the king. Having finished it, write down important points in your notebook. So that's all about it. So dear students, I have tried my best to deliver my lecture over this topic. Still, you have any query regarding any part of this video, you can put your comments in the box. Thank you.